student, today we will learn the chapter number system. In this chapter we will learn about the number, and first we learn the rational numbers, right? So student, you know counting 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and so on, and this you should be know that these are known as natural number and denoted by n, and this set belongs to natural number. So student, starting of a number in history, that were natural number, okay, and after that when we learn about zero is including with natural number that are known as whole numbers. So therefore whole number is denoted by W, and 0 include with natural number 1 2 3 4 and so on. The difference between natural number and whole number with 0. When we know something about integers in positive direction from 0, they are the positive integers, and negative direction from 0, they are negative integers. So when we go through a number line, if we put here 0 in positive direction 1 2 3 and so on, they are positive integers, and 0 is including another, and left side -2 -3, they are negative integers. So our next number included with directions positive and negative, that are known as integers. And integers is denoted by z, and as I have explained, up to infinite minus infinite, and -4 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 and so on, these are known as z, that are known as integers. It is denoted also by I. If we write here I plus, it means only we talking about the positive integers, and if we denote by I minus, means we talking about the negative numbers, that are -4 -3 -2 -1, and these are negative integers, these are positive integers, including 0, all are integers. Only 0 1 2 3 whole number, and 1 2 3 4 are natural number. So this way we concluded that numbers are increasing as in history they are using. So now if we're talking about the integers, now even numbers, even natural number, even a natural number, which are even natural number, you know? Yes, even natural numbers are dividing by 2 and itself, okay, dividing by 2 4 6 8 10. These are known as even natural number. Even and natural. Natural number starting from 1, but even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, it is denoted by E plus. Even natural number. Right? So you can give more examples about even natural number. And now odd numbers. If we're talking about even numbers only, now I am not talking about even natural numbers, even numbers, then 2, 4, 6, 8, these are the natural number, but 0, -2, -4, -6, and these are even numbers. These are even natural number, 2, 4, 6, 8. So on giving the answer, if you are asking about even a natural number, then you have to give these examples. If they are even numbers only, then 0, -2, -4, -6 are also even numbers. Okay, so similarly, if we described about odd natural number and odd numbers, so we can say odd natural number odd natural numbers. So I think you can describe by O plus and 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd natural number. And you should be learn, if you are asking about odd numbers, then there is a difference in your answer. Odd numbers can be described 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash dash, and we can write from below this -1, -3, -5 dash dash dash. These are now odd numbers. Okay, so in objective questions you should be careful about what you have to ask. Odd numbers is asking or odd natural number is asking, right? So the collection of these data, when the question will be asking in objective questions, odd natural number, odd numbers, you have to check the list. Okay, so now we will learn what is the prime number. These are very important for number system. Prime numbers are those natural numbers which are exactly divisible by two different factors, 1 and itself. Okay, they are known as prime natural number. Let's write the definition. The natural numbers which are exactly divisible by two different factors and what are the different factors? 1 and itself. This is the basic notation, 1 and itself. Okay, the number are called the prime numbers. So this definition you have to learn very carefully. Okay. So now list of prime number. Now you can write 2, 3, yes, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, extra. Okay, this way you can describe about the prime numbers. But your information this should be understood by 2. What is 2? 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, but even a natural number. Two is prime number, but it is an even numbers. So you can learn that especially it is designing for you. 2 is only even prime number. Okay, and 2 is smallest prime number. Okay, these two phenomena you have to learn very carefully. 2 is only even prime numbers and 2 is smallest prime number. Okay, so now we will tell you about composite numbers. Now what is the composite numbers? The natural numbers are not prime numbers, are called the composite numbers. Each composite number has more than 2 factors, right? The natural number which are not prime number, are called the composite number. Right? Each composite number has more than 2 factors. The important point is each composite number has more than 2 factors. Okay, so what will your examples? Examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on. 4 has factors 1, 2 into 2, more than 2 factor, more than 2 factors. Okay, now here also can see 1, 2 into 3, more than 2 factors. So if they have more than 2 factors, it means they are composite numbers. Okay, so next we will learn the topic, that is the co-prime numbers. Now what is the co-prime numbers? Co-prime, there is a big difference between co-prime numbers and prime numbers. Previous board we have studied about prime numbers, but now I am telling you about co-prime numbers. This is a very important point, right? So two natural number, what are the co-prime number? Two natural numbers not necessarily prime, means they may be prime or they may not be prime. Whose HCF or GCD, highest common factor, greatest common divisor. Highest common factor, greatest common divisor is 1, are called co-prime numbers. This is the very important point for competition. In competition this question will be asked, right? Examples: two natural numbers. So first example is we can take 1 and 2, HCF is 1. Second example we can take 2, 3. Third example can be take 1, 3. Fourth example can be take 3, 4. Okay, HCF is 1 in all. You can find out the HCF of these examples, right? So it's a very important point. You have to learn this co-prime numbers. Now, what is the twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers. Prime numbers differing two are called twin primes. Prime number differing by 2 by 2 are called twin prime numbers. Examples: 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. This pair, this pair, this pair, this pair are examples of twin prime numbers. Difference by 2 and they should be all prime numbers, right? So students, next we will go with the rational numbers. For detailing of these rational numbers, I have already expressed about this in the previous video, rational numbers. You can see that chapters separately. In these chapters, we will tell about more something about rational numbers. If you want to know detail, the basic concept, you go through the previous video, that is rational numbers. Okay, now I will go through in this lecture directly what is the rational numbers. There are numbers in the form p upon q. There are numbers in the form p upon q where q equal not 0. P and q are integers. P and q are integers. Okay, and the collection of this set is known as rational number. It is denoted by q, p upon q, where p and q belongs to, this is a symbol for belongs to, z, and q equal not 0. Okay. Now expression on number line, we take a questions represent 4 by 3 on the number line. If you want to learn more detail, you go through the previous video, that is rational number. Now 4 by 3, if you want to represent the 4 by 3, 4 by 3 means 1 by 3. There is a number line 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this is completely 1, that is 1. Now 1 by 3, from here 0, 1, 2, 3. From 3 part we take the 1 part only. This number is 4 by 3. This way you can represent the rational numbers on number line. Right. Now we will learn here, if we two rational numbers are given, if two rational numbers are given, two rational numbers are given, let here are two rational numbers. In between, to find the one rational numbers or more than rational numbers. So we can see there are infinite rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, these are infinite rational numbers between two numbers, two given rational numbers. Now the question is, how we can find one or more than one rational numbers? This you have to learn. Okay, now first, to find one rational number, between A and B, answer is A plus B upon 2. Using this formula, you can find one rational numbers exactly between two given rational numbers. Here we can see already how many rational numbers can be put between two rational numbers, that is your answer infinite. If two rational numbers are given, we can write here how many rational number can be put between them. Answer is infinite. Okay, so here now question is one rational number, put one rational numbers, or three rational numbers, or more than three rational numbers. So now using this formula, question is find one rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Solution is, that is 1 by 2 a plus b, that is 1 by 2 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. In previous we already learned how we will add here. Take the LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. 5 into 2 plus 4 into 3, we can write this 5 into 2 10 plus 12 upon 30, that is 22 upon 30. We can simplify 11 upon 15. This is your answer. Okay, this way you can find one rational numbers using formula half a plus b. Okay. Now the question is, if we want to find more than one rational numbers, to find more than one rational number, between a and b, we have to find n rational number, n may be 2, 3 and more than 3. Okay, so first find d, that is b minus a upon n plus 1. Now first rational number that is a plus 1d. Okay, second rational number a plus 2d, third rational number a plus nd. Here n equal to m, so this way you can find nth rational number, that is a plus nd. Right, so this way, using this formula, you can find more than one rational numbers. Let an example say, find 3 rational number between 4 and 5. Okay, so solution is d equal to b minus a upon n plus 1. So 5 minus 4 upon 3 plus 1, that is 1 upon 4. Now first rational number is a plus 1d, that is 4 plus 1 into 1 by 4, that is 17 upon 4. Right, yeah, 4 1 by 4. Now second rational number is a plus 2d, that is 4 plus 2 into 1 by 4, that is 16 plus 2 upon 4, 18 upon 4 equal to 9 by 2. Now third rational number is a plus 3d, that is 4 plus 3 into 1 by 4, that is 16 plus 3 upon 4, 19 upon 4. Okay, this way you can get these three answer. If you want to find 3 rational numbers, then n equal to 3, right? If you want to find 5 rational number, n equal to 5. Then 1, 2, 3, this way you can find your required rational numbers. Now we will learn the next method. If two rational numbers are a upon b and c upon d, and in between we have to find one rational number, that is ab less than a plus c upon b plus d less than c upon d. This way you can find one rational number between these two, and again using these two you can find one rational number here, one rational number here, one rational number here, one rational number here, and one rational number here. This way you can find infinite rational number. Okay, this is the simple method you have to learn, but according to using method, answer may be different. Why answer may be different? Since I have already told you that there are infinite rational numbers. Right? Now, decimal representation of rational numbers. Decimal representation of rational number. Now, if rational numbers are given, let example 1 by 2, we can divide it and find the one rational number, that is 0.5. Okay, you can divide it, so you will find one rational numbers in decimal form, that is the decimal representation of rational number. Now another examples, we discuss 1 by 3, then you will try to divide it 0.3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and so on, dash dash dash. Now it is repeating decimal number, it is periodic number. It can be written as 0.3 bar, means 3 digit is repeating, 3 is repeating. It is terminating value, its end is, we know, terminating, and it is non-terminating. Okay, so the rational numbers can be in decimal form, terminating or non-terminating. So how we will judge without divisions that the number will be terminating or non-terminating? Let an examples, if 1 by 2 is given, then in smallest form there are only factor, that is 2. Now if 1 by 3 is given, that is factor is 1 by 3, 1 into 3. Let an examples 2 by 15, the factors are 2, 3 into 5. Now another examples, let 1 by 16, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Let 1 upon 10, that is 2 into 5. Okay, so for terminating factor will be 2, 5 or both. Non-terminating except 2 and 5, if there is any other factor, then it is non-terminating. Non-terminating if other factor is present, then non-terminating. Right? Here we can see it is terminating value, it is terminating value, and it is non-terminating due to this non-terminating. Right? And this is also non-terminating, and this one is terminating. Okay, and this one is terminating. So which are terminating values? This one and these are two non-terminating values. Right? So we go to this terminating, and this terminating. Why these are terminating and why these are non-terminating? Okay, and why these are non-terminating? So this you have to learn very carefully. Right? Now we can go to the next point here. If a non-terminating number is given, in opposite we have to find in rational forms. Okay, now the question is, if 0.3333 is given, 0.333 is given, it is terminating values, and this we have to express in rational form. Express in rational number. So how we will use this expression of rational numbers? First we will learn the long process, then we will learn the short process. Okay, now let x equal to 0.3 bar, means 0.333 dash 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 dash. Now we are looking here, one number is repeating, only one number is repeating. So in this equation we multiplied by 10 only. If there are two digits are repeating, then we will write multiplied by 100 and so on. So first multiplied by 10, we will get 10x. So now this is point will be here, right side, because we are multiplying here. So we will get here 3.333. If you are writing here 3 decimal, so you are writing here 3. Okay, so dash 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 equation 2. Don't forget to write this dash dash dash. Now equation 2 minus equation 1, 10x minus x. 10x, you have to subtract x. Here 3.333 dash dash dash, you have to subtract 333 dash dash dash. This 3 should be shown equal, right? So what we get here? Here we get 9x equal to 3.000. So what is the value of x? 9x. So x equal to 3 by 9. So we get here x equal to 3 by 9 equal to 1 by 3. It is your answer. Do practice of these examples and we will do more questions. Now the question is, express, we will take the example of 2 digit 0.32 in rational numbers. Okay, so what is the solution? That x equal to 0.323232 and so on. This is equation 1. Now we have to take the decimal here, so we multiplied by 2 decimal means 100. So 100x, equation 1 multiplied by 100, right? So we will get 100x equal to 32.323232 dash dash dash, equation number 2. Write this way equally so you can subtract it. Now equation 2 minus equation 1. What we get here? 100x minus x, 32.323232 dash dash dash, x equal to 0.323232 dash dash dash. Now when subtracting is, we get 99x equal to 32.00. So what is the value of x? That is 32 upon 99. This is your answer. Okay. Let another example. If the digit is given 0.432 bar, only bar on 32, express in rational number. The question is same. Now what will the solution? Let x equal to 0.4323232 and so on. This will be equation 1, right? Now how many zeros you have to multiply this? If you want to take point here directly, we have to take the point where? What are the digits repeating? On the right side we have to take the multiplied, right? But before starting this, we are checking here 4 is not repeating. First take the point here, then take the point here. Okay, so multiplied by 10 we will get 4.323232 dash dash dash. Now it is equation 2. Now in this equation 2, now multiplied by 100, so we will get 1000. 100 into 10, 1000x equal to, now this point will be here, so we will get, what is that here? 432.323232 dash dash dash. Now look here, 3232 are after decimal, we have to write same way. If 3232 is written 3 times, we have to return 3232 3 times. So now equation 3 minus equation 2, what we get here? 1000x minus 10x, 432.323232 dash dash dash. Now here is, we get 4.323232 dash dash dash. Subtracting we will get 990x equal to 432 minus 4, that is 428. Therefore x equal to 428 upon 990. You can cancel out more if it will cancel, right? If it is cancelled, then you can cancel more. If cancel by, we can want to cancel this by 2 or by 4 or by 2. Let by 2, 214 upon 495. If it is more cancel, then you can get more cancellation. If you cancellation by 3 or 2, then it is okay, but now it is your answer, right? Now take another examples here. Now express 2.432 bar in rational number, right? So first write x equal to 2 plus 0.432. Okay, now change 0.432 in fraction form only, not this, right? So let y equal to 0.432 bar. Now it is equation 1 multiplied by 10, we will get 4.32 bar. Equation 2, now multiplied by 100, we will get 1000 y, then 432.32 bar. Bar means repeating. Equation 3, so equation 3 minus equation 2, what we get here? 990x equal to 432 minus 4, that is x equal to 428 upon 990, that we have already got it, 214 upon 495. In the previous video we can already say we have found this answer, so this is the same, but what is the difference? The difference is here for 2, so your answer will be 2 plus 214 upon 495, or in mixed form you can write 214 upon 495. This is your answer. If in the question it is given negative, so write in answer negative only, nothing you have to change. If it is given positive, then it is your answer is positive. So this way you can find out your recurring number in fraction form. Now we will learn direct method. Okay, now question is 4.32 express in rational number. Now direct method is 4.32 bar is equal to 4 plus 32 bar point. Okay, so we can write here 32 upon 9, whatever the bar, that you have to write 9. This way you can write directly answer. Okay, so it is your answer 432 upon 99. Give another examples. Example letter 0.432. This you can write 432, write this 3 digit minus this digit, you have to minus, okay, 4, then divide by about this 2 digit 99 and this digit 0. So using 32 we can write 99, and using this 4 we can write 0. Okay, for this 2 digit we use 99, for this 2 digit we use 99, and for this digit use 0. So what is your answer? 428 upon 990, 214 upon 495. Let another example we will take for the same. Question is 0.5312. Now this is repeating, so how we can write is 5312 minus 53 upon, let it read 3 also to better understand. Okay, so 1 2 3 5 3 1 2 3, we have to minus 5 3, and we have to write 9 3 times, and for this 0 0. Now what is your answer? Answer, you can subtract this and you can find the answer. So 5 3 1 2 3 minus 5 3, 3 minus 3 0, 12 minus 5 7, and here is 0 3 5 upon 9 9 0 0. Okay, so you can check it is correct or not. Add it again. If you add 3 here, 7 plus 5 12. Okay, 3. So this way you have to check. Now if this will be cancel or simplify, then you can cancel and simplify 5307 upon 990. If it is more cancel out, then write it, otherwise answer. So you can use directly 53123 minus 53 upon 999000. So we can assume a formula here, 0.ABCDE. That here is a bar. We can write ABCDE minus AB upon 99900. For a CDE 3 times 999 and for this 00. From where this formula is come? This formula is come from what we have learned the long process. Okay, so in these chapters we have learned something about numbers and rational numbers, right? So in the next video we will go to the irrational numbers. So student, for here we are stop it, and in next lecture we will describe about irrational numbers with surds in detail. Take care. Thank you.